Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. And if you love tech, unboxings, and simple tips, you are in the right place. So, if your Instagram post is not showing up on your account, don't worry. In this video, I'll explain you how to fix this problem. Firstly, open the Settings app on your device, scroll down, and click on the Apps option. Now, tap on Instagram, click on Storage and Cache, tap on Clear Cache. Now, go back to the home page and open the Play Store app. Now at the bottom, tap on the search icon and search for Instagram and update it if not. And after this, go back to the home page, and if still your problem not resolved, then open the Instagram app on your device. Now at the top right corner, tap on the three horizontal lines, scroll down and click on the help option. Click on report a problem, tap on report problem option, tap on include and continue. Now, here describe your problem, and after this tap on send option and wait for few hours. And yeah, that's it. And if you find the information given in the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.